sunny day here in southwestern Ontario. Dropping my stuff here. Little marinara sauce we dropped there. All right, I'm just gonna throw this in the car. Perfect. So, Domino's new cheesy bread. You know, it's like $8.50. We got 2 of them. Let's see if we can get one of these open and see how smoking hot this is. Isn't that pretty? Hey? Okay, I'm gonna try to get a piece out of here. Oh. Okay. This is kind of warm. So, it's just cheese stuffed bread, basically. So it's got cheese on the top. Parmesan cheese, I think, dusted on it. Sounds better than it is. I think it's just the cheese one. Cheese could be melted better, it seems. I don't know. Let's try this one. So this one should be jalapeno bacon. Whatever they dusted it with. That's like cornmeal, isn't it, I think? That is cornmeal, maybe on the bottom. God, I don't know. Let's see if we can get this in the center, maybe. Okay, so, do we see in there? Jalapenos and bacon. Doesn't look like bacon, does it? It's more like ham. Anyways, let's take let's take a bite of the super hot thing. Jalapenos help it. That's better. Give it a little bite. It's not a pizza. We won't give it a score. It's not terrible. It's a little high priced at $9 a piece or $8.50 a piece, but yeah. Domino's cheese stuffed. Domino's pizza stuffed cheese bread. I believe is what they call it. Anyways, you tried this crap? Well, leave a comment below. Even if you haven't tried this crap, leave a comment below. Hit the like button, share, subscribe. Look for us next time. Big Dave. I'll see you soon.